Chapter 2 Introduction to Windows 10. The most recent version of the operating system from Microsoft is Windows 10. It was officially released in 2015 and was offered free of charge initially to legitimate users of Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. Windows 10 combines features from two previous installments for suiting the users in a better way for both desktop as well as laptop computers. The major notable change in Windows 10 is that the Start screen tiles from Windows 8 are replaced and brought back to the Start menu. The vertical toolbars or the charms which appeared on the sides of the screen are also removed. These changes have made it easier to use the Windows version for both laptop and desktop. Start is back. The Start menu is back. It looks like the old Start menu. It also has the features of live tiles which can be resized. Different multitasking tools are present in Windows 10. For keeping the work organized and done in a faster manner, the live tiles Snap Assist, Task View, and virtual desktops have been loaded. Smart tip: for operating the Start menu, you can also press the Win key on the keyboard. Features of Windows 10. Task View. This is a view with which one can switch between virtual desktops. Alt plus Tab switches between the desktops. Apps. For increasing the productivity, we can download various apps as we do in our mobile phones. The new Universal Apps feature works on the desktop and floats in its own window. Cortana. It is present next to the Start button and acts as an assistant. If you need any help, you can type here and it will assist you in that. New login facility. It provides you a new facility of how you can log in without using passwords. The password-free sign-in gives you the fastest and most secure way of logging in your computer. You need special devices for this facility. You can use your face or fingerprint or any other physical part of your body, maybe eye retina, for logging in. Security. It provides you protection which includes antivirus, firewall, or other technologies built in at no extra cost. You get security features and ongoing updates for protecting your computer against current and future threats. Using laptop like a tablet. The tablet mode helps in converting your laptop to a tablet. You can use tablet mode by following the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Select Settings. Step 3. Click on System. Step 4. Select the tablet mode. Resizing the window. There are 3 buttons in the upper right corner of every window we open up. These are used for minimizing, maximizing, or closing the window. Maximizing brings the window to the full screen size. Minimizing hides the window in the taskbar. Windows can be moved around or resized as well. For moving a window, click on the title bar of the window and drag it. For resizing a window, move the mouse to any corner till you see a double-sided arrow. Then click and drag until you reach the size you desire. Smart tip: to minimize the window screen, you can press the Win key plus arrow down key on the keyboard. To maximize the window screen, press the Win key plus arrow up key on the keyboard. Icons. Most Windows version features different icons on the background. An icon is a graphic representation of a file or an application. Just double-click on the icon to open or access it. More icons can be added on the desktop by following the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop background. Step 2. Select New, then Shortcut. Step 3. Search for the application or file you want for creating its shortcut. Step 4. Assign a name to the shortcut and click on Finish. We can click and drag the icons to any place on the screen. Desktop background. Desktop background is a component of your desktop. It is an image which appears at the back of your screen. A pre-selected background is there in most of the computers which can be changed easily by you. For changing the background, you can follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of desktop and select Personalize. Step 2. From the Settings window, click on Background under Personalization. Now select from the series of inbuilt background pictures or browse any picture of your choice. Step 3. After selecting the picture, the background changes automatically. Virtual Desktop. It is one of the new features of Windows 10. It helps you in organizing multiple open program windows and work on them simultaneously. The given steps should be followed for Virtual Desktop. Step 1. On the taskbar, click on Task View. Step 2. Click the New Desktop button. A new desktop will be added. Fact bit. Till now, Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows. Files and folders. A file contains the data and the information. The data is in the form of pictures, text, sound, videos, etc. A certain amount of space is occupied by the files, which can be measured in kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes. A file can be saved on the hard disk of the computer. Every file is given a name for saving it. The name helps in identifying the file easily. Folders are used for storing the files and other folders. We can organize files and folders at one place with the help of folders. Creating a folder on the desktop. It is easy to create a folder on the desktop. The given steps can be followed for creating a folder on the desktop. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop. A menu will appear. Step 2. Select the new option. A sub-menu will open up. Step 3. Select and click on Folder. Step 4. A new folder appears with the default name New Folder. You can type a new name which you want to give to the new folder. Creating a file in a folder. For creating a file in a folder, the given steps should be followed. Step 1. Double-click on the folder to open it. A window will open up. Step 2. Right-click in the window. A shortcut menu appears. Step 3. Click on New. A sub-menu opens up. Step 4. Select the option as per the requirement. For example, to create a Word file, select Microsoft Word document. Step 5. Enter the name for document. Step 6. For typing the text in the file, double-click on it. Renaming a file or folder. For renaming a file or folder, the given steps should be followed. Step 1. Right-click on the file or folder icon and select the rename option. Step 2. Enter the new name which you want to give to the folder. For removing the characters, use the delete key. Step 3. Press the enter key after you finish editing the name you want to give to the folder. Lesson sum up. Windows 10 is the latest operating system introduced by Microsoft. Task View is the view by which we can switch between the virtual desktops. Cortana is present next to the Start button, which assists us in searching process. New login facility is available in Windows 10 where we can log in without the password. Icon is a graphic representation of a file or application. Virtual desktop is the desktop in which multiple screens can be organized at a time. The background of the desktop is known as desktop background. It is easy to change the background of the desktop. Folders contain the files and folders for easy organization.